Now, Stormtracker 9 weather with meteorologist Marissa Walzak.
Well, out there this morning, we are looking at a cold start to the day, especially in Central Oregon and in the Cascades. But let's say it's only going to get colder as we head into next week. So right now, our temperature is actually mild compared to what we're expecting. Here's a look at currents right now, 23 in Bend, 17 in Sun River. Along I-5, looking at those mid-30s. Out to the coast, also looking at those mid to upper 30s. Though North Bend, the warm spot at 43 degrees this morning. Satellite radar is showing a few clouds out there, so we do have some spots of clouds. By this afternoon, we should transition to more sunshine. Also looking at a few light showers out there, mainly Corvallis North. However, we are seeing a few showers sneak into the southern Willamette Valley, also into the Cascades, but they are very light, only producing some drops on your windshield this morning. Bigger picture, what we have going on, well, we're still right on the borderline between high pressure and actually from that low pressure system that brought us some showers yesterday, the day before that. But what we are looking at is another low pressure system out over the Pacific Ocean. You can pick it out there. This low is actually headed to the south and east, so it's going to move into Northern California once we get into tomorrow. However, it is going to be still very close to our area, so we could see a few light showers trying to work their way in the south coast as well as into the Umpqua Basin. But aside from that, we aren't looking at any widespread shower activity from this low as the center of it once again works its way into Northern California. So here's how the next 24 hours look on Stormcast as we put things into motion. We'll begin to see more sunshine late in the day tomorrow. There is that low just off the coast, and as you can tell, once again heading into Northern California, but could bring a few light showers into the area. We'll have another weak wave swing through as we get into Monday, and that's going to bring a slight chance for some light flurries above about 1,000 feet as we head into Monday. But that wave, once again, not really bringing much moisture to the area, so the likelihood of actually seeing some widespread snowfall very slim. So today along the coast, expect partly sunny skies, more sunshine this afternoon. High temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s, near 50 degrees. The Umpqua Basin also looking at partly sunny skies, more clouds this morning, more sunshine in the afternoon. Expect your highs also into the upper 40s, near 50 degrees. For the Cascades, you're looking at mostly sunny skies. A chilly start this morning, and actually chilly conditions again expected tonight as low temperatures dip into the upper 20s. This afternoon, we'll see highs at least into the mid 30s in a few spots. Central Oregon also chilly. Expect high temperatures this afternoon into the mid to upper 30s. Overnight lows though on the cold side, looking at those 20s as we head into tonight. And for those in the Willamette Valley, we are dealing with high temperatures into the upper 40s. Looking at partly sunny skies, more clouds in the morning, more sunshine once we get to the later parts of today. 7-day forecast along the coast. We're going to have a slight chance for a shower once again on Sunday as that low slides into Northern California. Aside from that, our weather is going to remain fairly mild. It is going to be a little bit cooler than what we've been seeing, so I'll expect high temperatures only into the mid to upper 40s. Overnight lows near freezing. For those in the Umpqua Basin, slight chance for some fog Sunday, maybe a slight chance for a shower. Otherwise, we head into Monday all the way through next week. We're looking at cooler temperatures, highs only in the low 40s and our lows dipping into the mid 20s. Take a look at the Cascades. Yes, as we head into next week, we're looking at a slight chance for a flurry with that weak wave on Monday, but take a look at those temperatures dipping off into the teens by Thursday. Overnight lows even into the single digits. For the Willamette Valley, not as cold, but we're still looking at possibly some cold nights ahead with lows dipping into the low 20s. We'll see a slight chance for, I guess, some fog tomorrow morning, but aside from that, we'll continue to see fog into next week. But weather said kind of returning back to very quiet across the area. The real story is going to be the cold temperatures, and thank goodness we have the Cascades actually to our east for many of us, because the cold air is going to move right into eastern and central Oregon, very cold conditions. So for some of us, it's going to be very cold, but for most of us, we'll actually be spared from the worst.